Spanish getting good. Anyway, we're on day 2.
You've got the worst Spanish. I have to cut in. You've got bad Spanish.
I've got really bad Spanish. Anyway, we're on day 2 of our Machu Picchu 3-day trip. Today we are going ziplining. We're having breakfast first, then going ziplining. Then we drive for a little bit and then we walk for 3 hours. So it'll be real fun.
It's a pretty laid back day. I'm excited.
Yeah, it's real warm here. So much warmer than I expected. Like, I'm wearing leggings and a top and it's not even cold. Spider-Man that the guides just showed us, and it is ridiculous. We're on like a suspension bridge. It's really high up and it's so wobbly.
That was probably the best zip line that we've ever done, and we've done quite a few of them, but it was just the fastest, most fun, biggest ones ever. For now though, we're off to go do a walking trek.
Arrived in Aguas Calientes, I think the little town's called, and
it's a town just underneath Machu Picchu.
Yeah, there's a really cool big Incan man and Incan woman, and it's like welcome, and we took a photo out. I'm gonna get Max to put it in because it's cool. Anyway, we are meeting everyone for dinner at 6 o'clock, which is like 10 minutes away, and then we're going to go to bed because we've got a really early morning in the morning.
We have to be out of our, leaving the hostel at 4 a.m. Just shit. Yep. I don't want to do it. But it's going to be worth it, hopefully.
Yeah, today was real fun. We, first of all, got up in the morning and went zip lining. And the guys that did the zip lining were so crazy. They make you, try to do all these weird things. And I can't believe I did it, but I did, the Superman one.
It was so much better as well doing it with... There were 3 other guys that we're with. There were a group of 5, and it's so nice having a small group.
So good. It's so good. They're all so nice. And I don't know, we seem to get on better with British people. Maybe it's because we're quite similar.
After that, we walked for maybe an hour and a half, just down this road. This kind of on the way to Machu Picchu. Stopped, had some lunch, played a football match against another tour group.
We won.
Won? What do you mean we?
I was the cheerleader.
You sat on the ground.
Yeah, and I said, go Commonwealth.
And then we walked for another couple of hours to get to this town. So it was a flat walk, and it was quite good because it was just nice.
My butt kind of hurts today though. I don't know if it's from the walk or maybe from biking yesterday.
But like Jane said, we'll have some dinner soon, and then it's an early night for us.
Yeah, I've washed my hair though and it feels so good.
Right, night.
Night.